Traders, it's Anthony here. I'm just taking a look at the dollar Swissy. I've got it open on the 15-minute chart. In fact, what I'm going to do is I'm going to race out to the monthly and we'll do a really quick top down. I'll just give you my take on this. Yeah, I was back out on this time frame a few moments ago and I did these drawings. So we've got these white dotted lines here, these two. I'm picking up candle open here, body of this candle and the low of this candle. So we've got this range on the monthly. Big level of support. So we've traded down into it and rejected off here a couple of times. Now we're retesting this level, as you can see. So definitely this is under pressure, without a doubt. What I'm looking for, being Monday, is, and this is why I drew this candle here. More often than not, what you see is you'll see the candle will open and on Monday it'll trade north if it's a bearish market, takes out buy side liquidity, and then we get our move through the week and our close. So this is a weekly candle, right? It happened here. Well, that was a bullish week. This was a bearish week. So we're looking for the week, and that's why I have the weekly open and this monthly level drawn up. Now, look, you know what? I'm preferring a bearish opportunity with this, but like we've got this green candle here between two red candles, so it can trade in either direction monthly. But my bias is bearish, so that's really the opportunity that I'm looking for. So on the weekly time frame, this is the range that I'm interested in here, this big support level. We're coming back down into it now, and we've got our weekly open, this orange dotted line. If we go back to Sunday, Monday, you know, I'll go to the lower time frame and I'll show you. That's Sunday night, 12 midnight New York time, weekly open, and that kicked off precisely right here. So we want to, in the, you know, Monday, Tuesday, we want to see how this trades around this weekly open and see what we get. You know, like, I mean, look at this candle here. Opens, it trades up, and then it trades down. So we're looking for that move, taking out buy side liquidity, hopefully, and then we get a red candle for the week. So that's the weekly. We'll go to the daily now. We'll have a look at what I've got here. So what I've done is I've marked up this green distribution candle here on the daily level point of interest back up in here, right? It's traded down, it's spiked back up into it, and now we've traded off. So that's our daily levels. Got this break of structure here. Have a look at it on the 4H. On the 4H, kind of makes sense now. We go back and we've got, I've picked up this balance area here prior to this strong bullish move, 4-hour key level. So that's a point of interest. That'll be a target. We've got this 4H here. I've just picked up this red candle back here, pulled it through. You can see how it's come into play here. So we're currently traveling through this level at the moment, and it's now acting as resistance. I don't trust Mondays, and just be careful, because it wouldn't surprise me we see smart money head south with this and entice short traders in. Everyone's looking for a short opportunity, obviously, and then they pull it up into these levels here, take out your stops, right? And then they trade it. So I'm just kind of sitting back. Don't want to rush into things on a Monday. Okay, so we've got this break of structure back here, 4-hour bearish break of structure, lower highs, you know, lower lows now. And what else can I say about this? 4-hour distribution here. That's my level of interest in through here. I want to see it trade back up in there, and that's where I'll be looking for a short opportunity. Guys, if you haven't already, click the link below. Join my free Telegram group. Check out my website. Alrighty, we've got this 4-hour, 1-hour nested and daily. You know, big distribution level here. You can see it. All right, there it is. So precisely the 1-hour here is marked up, and the 4H, and this is my this is a key area for me where I'll be looking to get involved. So I'm waiting for the trade back up. Intraday, most likely. I want a weekly opportunity. You know, I want to get in early on in a trend in the week and then ride it for the rest of the week, and you know, that's where the money is made. So you know, we'll just see how this shapes up. What I've done is I've marked up, I'll just go down to a 15-minute. I've marked up the, well, this is the midnight, New York midnight. Let's just see if I've got that in here. Midnight, 2 p.m. Brisbane, New York midnight, that'll do. So that's my New York midnight. That's where we open here. You can see the weekly open now. This is the London open. This is the Asia close. Okay, so you want to watch it. Well, at the moment, we've got currently this range going on. Yeah. Just watch it through here. I won't be getting involved with this. I want to see how it trades into the New York Open, right? I mean, it could trade all the way back up. So let's keep an eye on it. And look, you know, as I mentioned earlier, the opportunity I'm waiting for is if it moves back up in here. Okay, that would be a short where I sell. And I mean, we could set up a, if you want to do a set and forget, have a look at this fib retrace. Bearish, high to low, fib retrace, yeah. Well, 61.8, we've got this range here, and then we've got up here. So ideally, as I mentioned, I'll just set this up now. I'm looking for a short, and this is going to be my sell zone in here. Sell zone, something like that. Stop loss. See this dotted line? This is midway through this daily bearish order block, so I'd probably go above that. If this is a set and forget, that's most likely what I would do. If it's not a set and forget, I'll be watching price and, you know, letting price action play out and trading live. Looking for the opportunity if it rolls over, you know, if we get the rotation. But, you know, I'm most likely going to be in bed by then, and stop loss above. So, you know, if I'm going to go for a set and forget, that's going to be my entry. Sell zone, think through here. My stop loss will go up here. And I'm always looking for TP1, and it's an easy way to work it out. Just have a look at what we've got on the chart. See this little range down in here? Well, that's T1. All right, so that would be T1, where I take most of my position off. Right, so let's just mark this up and see how we go. And if it rolls over and trades off without me, I'm happy to let it go. Do something like that. Go for broke with the, as I said, I'm looking for, there you go. 1-to-1 risk reward is where I'm going to take most of my position off. Here's my risk reward tool. I'll show you how I've done this. I'll open up the settings and you can copy it. So that's my risk reward. We can see, well, if that's an entry, yeah, 1-to-1. See around here? There it is. This is 1-to-1 here. And in this range here is where I look to my TP level. And then the rest of it is just set and forget, trail it with your stop, and just see if we get, you know, a run for the week. I was going to show you this. Okay, so this is the fib, trend-based fib extension, and what I've done with it, I've messed around with it. I've got, you know, you can pause the video and -1 up here. Okay, I got 0, -1, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then I've got this 0.85, so that's the range, you know, even between 8 and 8.5, 0.8 to hang on, where are we? That, see here, 0.8 to 1-to-1, that's where I like to TP in this area. Anyway, guys, click the link below, join, and that's my take on the dollar Swissy. If it trades up in here and I get a fill, great. If not, let it go. Okay, with that, hope you have a great day. Safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.